Where are we going?
Going down there. Yeah, down there. Look. Look, Daddy.
What do you see?
Yeah.
There's squirrels in the grass?
Yeah.
Are we gonna catch them?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
I'm gonna catch a dog.
Okay, you go catch a squirrel.
Okay. Come on, Dad. I gotta catch.
You gotta sneak up on them. Gotta speak real quiet and sneak up on them. I think they went up the tree.
Where'd they go?
Can you look up the tree? Are they in the tree?
No.
Huh. I don't know where they went then.
Come out. Hold on, go. Yes, Dad.
Squirrels don't listen very good, do they?